If you're seeing the something went wrong, try again message on Facebook Lite when posting or watching stories, you're definitely not alone. It's a common error, and luckily there are several fixes that usually solve it quickly. The first thing you should try is clearing the app's cache and data. Open your phone settings, go to Apps or App Manager, then scroll until you find Facebook Lite. Tap it, open storage, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Just remember, this will log you out, so make sure you know your login details before doing it. If the problem doesn't go away, check the Play Store for a Facebook Lite update. If an update is available, install it. And if the app is already up to date, the next step is uninstalling Facebook Lite completely, restarting your phone, and installing it again. A fresh install can fix corrupted files or hidden glitches causing the issue. You should also make sure your internet connection isn't the problem. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if one works better. If you're using Wi-Fi, move closer to your router or restart it to refresh the connection. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network quickly. If the error still shows up, try checking your phone's storage space. When storage is nearly full, Facebook Lite may struggle to load or upload stories. Deleting unused apps, old photos, or clearing downloads can free up enough space for smoother performance. Another trick is logging out of your Facebook Lite account and logging back in, which refreshes your session and sometimes clears account-related glitches. Also, make sure your device time and date settings are correct because an incorrect system time can cause login or story loading errors. After trying all these steps, Facebook Lite usually starts working normally again, and you should be able to watch and upload stories without that frustrating message popping up.